Welcome to our ceiling panels light product introduction video. Today, we're going to showcase this innovative lighting product and guide you through its installation process. Our ceiling panels light is a top-quality lighting fixture that utilizes advanced LED technology to emit soft, uniform light, creating a modern and cozy atmosphere in any space. With a variety of styles and colors to choose from, you can select the perfect fit for your project. Now, let's dive into the installation process of ceiling panels light. First things first, make sure you've got all your installation tools and materials ready to go. LED ceiling panels light installation instructions. Step 1. Installing the inner frame of the lighting box. Start by installing the inner frame of the lighting box, ensuring it's positioned at a 90-degree angle. Connect the cross members of the inner frame and install the center angle iron to reinforce support. Secure the suspension rod to ensure the lighting box hangs securely. Follow the diagram to install the 9 LED light panels in sequence and connect the transformer into a single line. Turn on the power supply as per the diagram to ensure everything's correctly connected. Step 2. Installing the color-matched lights and frame. Mount the frame for the color-matched lights, making sure it aligns with the inner frame. Securely attach the outer frame of the color-matched lights. Install the color-matched lights, ensuring each one is installed correctly and securely connected. Once the installation is complete and the whole fixture lights up, you'll feel the cozy comfort and modern vibe brought by the ceiling panels light, adding endless radiance to your space. Interested in learning more about ceiling panels light and how to purchase them? Visit our official website or contact our customer service team for more information.